Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shane, and in today's video, we're making a 3D Christmas tree. Let's get started. Here I'm just showing you guys that I cut out me a template so that I can be able to cut my material, and I just used a prepackaged box that I received in the mail. And now I'm just going to turn it inside out, and this is sewn, but you can glue it if you don't sew, okay? Okay, now that we have our tree turned inside out, we're just going to use some stuffing. You can get polyfill, or you can just take the filling out of an old pillow that you have that you're no longer using, or there's another option. Dollar Tree has small pillows and you can get those and just take the filling out of it and use those to fill your projects, okay? And this is just the dowel that I showed you in the beginning with the materials list that I'm using just to poke the stuffing down to the tip of the tree. Please, you guys, make sure that you check the beginning of the video for the items that I use. I always place a picture there so that you'll know what I'm using. Okay, now that we have our tree fully stuffed and it's nice and fluffy, we're going to put it on our base. And you can find these bases at any craft store, Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. And now we're going to use some clear thread and sew that little opening that we have available at the bottom. We're going to sew that closed, okay? If you don't sew, you can hot glue it. It's not an issue. As always, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little project today, and we'll give it a try. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for stopping by, and you guys have a wonderful day. Be blessed.